Hello, it's your girl Vanessa, and you are watching Necessary Dishes. Today I'm making two Valentine's Day desserts that are pretty simple. You don't really need too many ingredients. This one in particular, I'm kind of doing shortcuts. I'm going to use this pre-mixed. It has like all the baking dry stuff that you need in it. The sugar cookie. You can pretty much buy this at any grocery store. It only needs, for my recipe, 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. And for the decoration, I'm going to use just some red sprinkles and some white sprinkles. And you can use any chocolate that you like. I'm going to use, I'm going to use Milky Way dark chocolate. And then I'm also going to cut it out with a regular size heart shape, and then I'm going to cut the center with a cute little heart shape in the middle there. And for my next one, I'm making sandwich cookies. Very, very, very simple. I just bought some shortbread cookies that are round, kind of medium size, I'd say, flat surface there. So it'd be perfect to make a sandwich cookie. Some marshmallow fluff and some crystallized sugar. So watch and learn, and let's get started. First, I'm just mixing up the 3 ingredients until it forms a ball. And then I'm going to flatten it out on a very clean surface and start cutting it with the sugar cookie cutters. Alright, so I just pretty much flatten it out. I'm going to make about 6 of them. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven. 6 each, I mean. So I'm going to make about 6 of the big ones and 6 of the small ones. So I just got a regular cookie sheet. I'm just going to line down some parchment paper here so that it's easily going to come off. Alright, so I got them here on the cookie sheet. I'm going to pop them in the oven at 350 for about 8 minutes. Alright, while those are in the oven cooking, I'm going to hurry up and do this process. Pretty much, it's just, you're putting the marshmallow in between the sandwiches, and you're going to get the edges coated. And I'm just going to use a little bit of wax paper, or parchment paper. I get it kind of a spoon that's has a very round tip. And a good dollop. Not too much. Like that much. But enough so that you have some on the edge. Okay. Take the other one flat side down. Push. So you got your cookie there. Dip it in the sugar and bam! Look at that. Just a simple little, come on, let's focus. Come on, man, come on. Look at that. That's it. So I'm going to do that a couple more times. And then I'll take out the cookies and we'll work on that next. So our sugar cookies are perfect and delicious looking. Now I'm just going to let them cool down a little bit, because what I'm going to do is set that chocolate on there so it can melt on there, and I'm going to spread it around. And on the big ones I'm going to cut in the center so I can make a shadow effect. Or you know how they do those, I don't know what they call it. I think they're called like window, I don't know. Somebody correct me in the comments. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and I will show you that later. So now I'm going to actually let these rest. You can kind of see they're kind of flopping off to the side a little bit, which is fine. That happens. I would probably put a little less. Maybe, you know what I would probably suggest is start off with 1, see how that goes, and make less or more according to how they look. But I'm going to let them sit still so that the marshmallow gets a little bit hard, and so it's easier to eat when it's ready. So in the process now with this is I'm going to, see I have 8 here. I have 1 just kind of for in case one of these mess up. I have more in the oven actually, so that batch makes a lot. The little ones I'm going to probably just put some, actually I have some kids are really loud. I have some melted marshmallow fluff here. I'm probably going to put that in between the marshmallow, or the marshmallows. I'm going to probably put that in between the little cookies and do the same like I did this. I decided I'm going to not do the chocolate because I'm really kind of scared that the chocolate is going to break the cookies. They're really soft. And I kind of just want to keep the theme with the marshmallows. So I'm just going to use this marshmallow fluff that I have here. I melted just a little bit. So it'll be easy to stick. And when you apply this, spread it. And you really just need to get enough to where it's sticking. Just like that, not too much. Take the same size. Right in the middle. Oh, my other cookies are done. Let me turn that off. Cut this in the middle here. Take it out. Be very gentle. Look at that. Now I'm going to take these sprinkles. Put them on here. And you can leave it like that too, because look how cute that is. That's so cute, right? Put that right on top. So you have your double cookie there. And you got a sweet surprise. Look how cute that is. And you can really use any type of, I'm just eating the cookie because it's so good. You can use any type of topping. I have these sprinkles. I'll probably use some of these crystal sprinkles too. Try not to get the edge, so don't spread it to the end because you want it to kind of look really good, right? Boom. Look at that. And it looks crazy, but once you put that on top. Now the reason why I didn't do this in the first place because I wanted a very sharp looking heart. If you were to do that before, the middle would look kind of like smear in when it's baking, and I just didn't want that. So, all right, let me try a different type of, let me try this one. Do a little bit more. Put a little inside. And you got your double cookie there too. So cute. And it's a perfect serving size. It's a pretty big cookie. So it's a perfect serving size. What I could also do, which is kind of probably doing a lot to be honest. Let me just do it. Live a little, you know, that's what I say. Live a little bit. Since it's slightly melted, I'm just going to put chocolate pieces in here. Has some caramel nougat, which is pretty much marshmallow anyway. And dark chocolate. Mix that around. I'm really experimenting. Because once you bite into that, I'm telling you, I don't even know yet, but I'm just telling you because, you know, I just know, you know, just trust the process, you know what I mean? All right. Oh, that looks amazing. That looks good. All right, look at that. So you have little pieces of chocolate in the middle. Just put a little bit of that in your cookie, and be careful this time if you're gonna try it this way. Oh, I just messed up. Because there's chunks in there now. Don't sell yourself short. Give it a lot. Give it a go. Live a little bit. You know what I mean? All right. So we got that. Whoa. Cut it here. Take that bad boy out, you know what I'm saying? If they can cooperate with me, that'd be great. Ooh. All right.
No.
No, you know what? I should have did this from the get-go. I think I'm just gonna leave that the way it is. Look at that. This is the type of thing you can experiment with. So yeah, I have it 3 different ways here. You can't really go wrong though. If you do it that way, you can use actually frosting. I only had what I was just doing with what I was working with. I had just a marshmallow fluff, but frosting actually would be good because it dries pretty quick. What I'm probably going to do with the rest of the cookies, I'll show at the end of the video. I'll just probably do sandwiches with them or just frost them and just put some sprinkles on top. You know, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified every time that I release a video. Alright, peace out.